this is a huge month for Remixable with many new features coming online in just the next few days. Firstly, there's the script and copy creator, which lets you automatically write sales copy for a whole range of page types, video types, and email types. I've basically preloaded all the scripts and copy which have made me millions of dollars as an affiliate, email marketer, and product seller, and built them right into the software. In fact, right now I'm in the process of adding my own emails into the system. Just enter a few keywords, click go, and then cycle through the proven copy to choose the one that you want. It's like having a six-figure copywriter, but without the 5K price tag. Secondly, you'll be able to create new page types, including affiliate bonus review pages, JV affiliate pages, landing pages, upsells, webinar pages, and so much more. And lastly, the video generator has now been integrated into Remixable with done-for-you keywords and improved interface and more. But right now there's one specific feature I want to talk about, and it's a very limited one. To kickstart this new Remixable feature set, I'm offering a few people a chance to partner with me. Now you know by now that selling your own digital product is the most profitable move you could ever make online. It lets you build a huge buyers list, make fast cash, and do so passively, like this autopilot income I made over Christmas without me even being online. And if you've been on my list for a while, you'll know that Remixable automates every aspect of this through the software tools and done-for-you content. Now, through 2021, we already collected dozens of testimonials from people making money with Remixable, and we will be adding those to the site soon. In fact, we're in the process of updating the Remixable sales video and sales page for the first time since we went live, and this proof will come in handy. But I want even more testimonials to relaunch these new features which are going to transform Remixable. I'm talking case studies of people making not just hundreds or thousands, but much, much more. Then I can take these case studies and use them in my marketing for Remixable in 2022. And that means I want you to make money with Remixable right now before I start working on the updated sales video and sales page. And so to ensure that happens, I'm running a very unique, secretive, and very lucrative offer for just a few days of 2022. Basically, I'm going to partner with a handful of people, helping them launch their own software business. Now, the truth is, all of this is already automated and done for you inside of Remixable. But the difference here is that I will go even beyond that and actually help you to create a software, sales page, sales video, and overall offer that is completely unique. I'll actually work with you to create an entirely new offer and indeed an entirely new software business. Now bear in mind that this is only available for people who take the 475 lifetime plan and do so right now. And if you can see this video, that means that this offer is currently available, but it won't be around for very long. Now I've received a few questions about this, and so here's how it works in a bit more detail. Firstly, I will build your software tool for you. And no, you don't need to hire a coder or developer. I will handle all of this and actually set the software up for you. And what type of software will I build? Well, I'll actually give you a list of the software tools that I intend to launch in 2022. Then you pick the one that you want and we build it together. But bear in mind, you will need to act quickly here, because the way that this works is first come, first served. And so basically I've uploaded this list to a spreadsheet, and I've even highlighted what I think are the most profitable softwares to build in green. And the danger here is, since this is first come, first served, if you get to the party late, then all of the best offers may have gone. So you simply choose a software to build, and then we build it together with no extra coding or costs involved on your end. Next, once your software has been built, I will work with you to build your sales pages. I'll work with you to create both the page and the video itself, the video sales letter. And we'll do this together inside of Remixable with me, the architect, the founder, the creator of the software, guiding you through each step. Now, you'll remember I said earlier that we're going to be creating a software and offer from my personal handpicked list of ideas of tools that I would otherwise launch myself in 2022. And some of these are actually completely new niches and ideas, so new that they aren't even inside of Remixable. And consequently, there's no done-for-you content for that particular niche. And so if you do choose a completely new niche, which is entirely possible because remember you're working off my own personal list, then get this, I'll even add the done-for-you copy and content for you inside of Remixable so you can build the page using brand new custom scripts. And I'll say that again, I will personally write your copy and then add it into Remixable just for you so you can create the page using my own scripts. And remember, I'm one of the most successful copywriters in the internet marketing space and have been for over a decade. So this in itself is a really big deal. I'll even write the VSL sales script for the video and get your sales video created and then added onto your sales page, so you even have a done for you sales video to go on your new professional sales page and website. And at this point, you're now on a level that 99.999% of marketers will never ever get to. So let's just recap here. At this point, you've chosen one of my secret software ideas. I've then built the software for you, and I've then worked with you to build the sales page and script. I've done the sales video for you, and I'll also work with you to get your offer listed on WarriorPlus and handle any other technical steps that you aren't aware of. So now basically your offer is complete and ready to sell. The only thing left here is for me to plug your offer into my network of affiliate traffic, the same affiliate traffic that brings in revenue like this. And yes, of course, I will promote your offer heavily to my own leads, lists, and sites. So this is your one chance to partner with me, an elite marketer on ClickBank, JBZ, WarriorPlus, and more. I've never done this before, and I will never do this again. But the only reason I'm doing this now is to get some huge success stories locked in to use in my remixable marketing for 2022. Now, all of this is, of course, great news for you, but it does come with some catches. This offer can only be available for people who take the 475 plan. Remember that this is actually the best value plan anyway, as it gives you access to all the features now and forever with just one lifetime payment. This offer is temporary, as I've mentioned, but two, the 475 plan itself will soon be increasing in price. In fact, my guess is that quite soon the 475 plan is going to be 597, 697, or possibly even 997, which a lot of my friends tell me I should have done from the start. And this partnership deal, which is currently included temporarily in the 475 plan, is either going to be permanently gone, or at least if I do decide to keep it, it's going to be its own 997 or 1997 offer, which I think is still insane value. But all this basically means you have a very limited window to get this partnership deal, and then it's gone forever. So here's what it comes down to. Do you want to make 2022 your year, the year that everything changes for you? If so, you need to get hold of this right now. So head over to Remixable and join the 475 price plan, the lifetime plan, the best value plan. And then once you've done that, here's how you can start working with me today. All you need to do is send an email to support@remixable.com, and doing that will automatically start the partnership process. As soon as you do that, I'll send you my list of six-figure software ideas, my own personal list. Then you pick one, I remove it from the list so no one else will ever get that, and we start building your software business today on day one. So once again, head over to remixable.net, grab your 475 lifetime membership, and then email support@remixable to enter into the partnership program. And that's all there is to it. Okay guys, I think that covers it. Thanks, and I'll see you on the other side of Remixable. Cheers.